Hi people, welcome to MSK Junction and it's your MSK. You viewers are at the right spot to get to know things better. Today we will be exploring about threads. Yes, even you will be wearing in one or the other way. As people believe, threads are powerful, even the background of it is strong and powerful. Before starting, powerful threads make people powerful. Okay, let's begin. There are some threads we generally come across, that is white thread, yellow thread, red thread and black thread. Contrasting colors, isn't it? Black, white, red, yellow. Let's begin with white thread. The sacred white thread is called Poonal or Yajnopaveetam. People follow the tradition of putting it during Upanayana Samskar. Let's see scientific aspects of it. If a Poonal is tied on one's ears, it helps in preventing constipation and keeps the stomach diseases free. The three threads in the Poonal assumes the role of goddess of strength, that is Parvati, goddess of wealth, that is Lakshmi, goddess of knowledge, that is Saraswati. The other sources says these are three depths a man holds, which I mean the three strands of a thread, that is depth to Rishis, depth to Devas, depth to Pitru, who are our ancestors. There is even proven scientific study which shows that those who wear Poonal do not have blood pressure illness unless you don't indulge in habits that may cause to health. The interesting thing is that married men wear 6 strands of thread in their Poonal. Thus, people wear Yajnopaveetam with a desire to do their best. Gayatri Mantra has a close association with Yajnopaveetam. Black thread. According to Indian mythology, black thread is an absorber of all the evil things. People often put it on waist and hand. When we wear the thread on the waist and if the thread becomes loose, that means we have lost weight. And if it becomes tight, it's vice versa. In hand, it gives pressure to some pressure points. Those are associated with organs. That is heart, inner gate point and outer gate point. Yes, these are the pressure points. This statement applies to all the threads which we discussed except white. Black threads dipped in Mai are used for control blood flow through the veins, and it also absorbs the warmth from the sun and keeps the nerves warm. Yellow and red thread. According to Hindu mythology, in the Vamana Avataram, Lord Vishnu pushed King Bali into the underworld. It is believed that he tied a red thread on the wrist of Bali to grant him immortality. That began the practice of tying a red thread on the wrist of people to grant them long lives. It is also believed that the king of gods, Indra, was concerned about the fight between the gods and the demons. But the demons were more powerful than the gods. So his wife, Indrani, decided to protect him from seeing him unhappy. Indrani prepared a powerful thing with her spiritual power and tied it around the wrist of Lord Indra to protect him from the attack of demons. The purified thread is tied by a guru or by the elderly members, especially grandparents of the family, on the wrist of each person who is present in the holy ceremony. While tying, the guru recites Sanskrit mantras, and it is worn to ward off negative energy away from the person who wears this thread. White thread dipped in turmeric and dried in the sun acts as an antibiotic as Indians use their left hands to wash. So, every time you use water to wash, the turmeric comes out of the thread and kills germs. Hope you all seen the scientific approach of the threads along with the beliefs. Never ever accept things blindly. Please do like, share and subscribe MSK Junction. Love you all. See you soon.